that thing, that'd be funny if I got on that thing and just rip my legs right off.
It probably would.
It definitely would. I took the pins out.
I had to walk all the way down, and I was like, so yeah, so now
Yeah. Cruise hole.
Cruise hole.
I know I'd click on that if it came up.
Yeah, you can see why they put the frosting tint in front of the.
Oh yeah.
And they usually not. But yeah, like that would be.
Be a Diddler's paradise.
Yeah, you know. No, it'd be the lion. Oh, we can go to the lion.
Indeed. Still, they charge extra for that?
I am not a water slide person.
Really?
Yeah. That's why I like the dry slide. That was actually cool. Like I do not like water slide.
I might have to break out the
Water
sea legs. Yeah.
Sea legs.
Go to the grand. Excuse me. Excuse me.
This is hilarious.
Yeah.
Land's got here.
I have no idea. Oh, it's hooked seafood.
Oh, that's the seafood place.
Yeah.
Alright, interesting. I had no idea it was there.
Can we not cut through here or not?
No, I don't think you can. That's rich enough. Good job. We'll have to go inside and go down the... Yeah, okay. Did you get 360 to slam yet?
No.
Yeah, let's do that.
what was it?
Well, I gotta finish the other side of the ship.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I didn't even know this was up here.
I didn't either.
Yeah, there's the seafood place. Oh.
Who's got seafood at home?
Right? Maybe they get coconut cream pie.
Cream pie.
That's a bag.
Cream pie. There ain't nobody at forward and shit. Or wait, that's F, ain't it? What side are we on?
Everything's close.
right had to be forward because look at the way the smokestacks are going. But yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah, we're on starboard now. We were on board.
You don't know.
Josh taught us the easiest way to remember is
Yeah, I know.
left.
Yep.
L-E-F-T. P-O-R-T. I'll never forget that.
Yeah,
shit.
it's true. I'll never forget that. And I just forgot it. But we're also facing the opposite direction.
But
Still fucking me up.
going that way, yeah. Well, you're like not going. That's like the opposite of port.
Alright, so you just call the channel porthole.
Porthole.
The porthole.
Okay, now we're back at L. I wish I was a ramp that went down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It was a ceramic picture.
What do you think? You want to get back out there and
Hold on. It's 5:30. I bet you that bar already closed down. Yeah. I wanted to see.
excuse me. Thanks. Excuse me.
Yeah, it's closed. You want to go on the carousel?
Yeah.
Let's do it.